Hey guys, and welcome to this video. 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 in parentheses. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5 and 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Now we have one multiplication here. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way first, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So, 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Now, let's rewrite the expression 2 plus 3, and we have one multiplication here, and 5. So, as we know, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than this addition. So, we have to solve this multiplication first. So, 3 times 5 gives us 15, and now we have 2 plus 15, that the final answer is 17. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.